Hi, in this session we are going to continue with the filters. So let's make some arrangement for our report. So I just need to just get more visuals. So I will do some arrangement here. Let me just make this filter smaller, put it here, and this one make it up, and this one make it smaller. Okay, and let me get some visuals. We prepared it before, so let me get this tree map, the pie chart, and the bar chart as well. I can copy and paste them here, and let me make this smaller, and I can just go to format, just let me put background. Okay, close the title. And also in the y-axis, I can close the title as well. So go down here and close title. Okay. And for the x-axis, I don't need the title. I don't need the x-axis at all. So let's remove it. Okay. And we can just change because all of them by the hotel area. So let's make it by tower number. So remove this, yes. So this time now the value, the weight by tower number, and this one keep it with the tower number, and this one we can just keep it. We can just make the bar chart with CSI. So remove this one and let's go to CSI and make the weight by CSI. Okay, just to show you that they are different. Okay. What else we can add? Let's put we can put a table. Okay, let's put the activity ID, activity name, the start and finish. Okay, this is the start. Let's put the finish as well. Make this a date. Make this a date. Okay, let me open up. Let's change the format. So choose the column and go to format and choose this one. Okay, and for the start, for the finish as well. Okay, what else we need in our table? Let's put the progress percentage. So the activity percent complete. Okay, I can also remove the total. So I'm removing the total. So okay, this is not the best way, but fine. Let me just put this filter here and make this one down here. And this filter, I can just put it here. Yes, so yeah, it's not the best way, and we will do the full example later, but I just want to show you how the filters work. So this is our table. So what exactly we have? We have the progress here. Okay, we have the weight by different codes. We have the activity table, and we have our slicers, all of them here. Okay, so let's start with the filters. Fine. So the filters, we can have filter on this visual, filter on this page, and filter on all pages. So for example, this visual, okay, if we want to remove the blank, so I can select all except the blank. So now the blank is removed. Okay, so the blank is removed. Okay, and if you just check this filter icon, you find that everything except is not blank. Okay, so this is for the filter on this visual. If we put a filter on this page, so if, for example, if we take a code like let's take tower number. So for example, if I need to put filter on this page, so let me take the tower number. Okay, I'll put it, just drag and drop it in filter on this page and choose tower 3. So all the filters, all the visuals will show the values for tower 3 only. So I will call this report as tower 3 report. Okay, and let me duplicate this page. Okay, and let me call it tower 4. Okay, let me call it tower 4. And on the filter on this page, I will choose tower 4 instead of 3. So now I have here, I have all the values of tower 4. This is the floors of tower 4. These are the progress of tower 4. This is the August 14 tower progress. This is weight by hotel area. Okay, and for tower 3, I have here, this is the floors of tower 3. See, this is 11 floor, this is 20 floors. This is the progress of tower 3. Okay, so in less than 5 minutes, we made 2 reports for tower 3 and tower 4. The other subject today is the interactions between the visuals. So every visual is literally used as filters. So here you can see that when I check on the tower 3, this the CSI of tower 3. This when I hit the utilities, I can get only the information of utilities. If hit the elevation, these are the activities of the elevations. Okay. If you moved your mouse cursor to this filter icon, you'll find how many filters impacting this visual. So I have here 2 filters, tower 3 and hotel area description. Okay. So how to manage these interactions? To manage these interactions, you can just choose the visual that you want, okay, and go to Format and go to Edit Interactions. Again, you have to choose whatever you want first. And okay, if you want to cancel the relation between this visual and the other one, just you see the 3 icons, hit None. Okay, so now you can remove this now, and now there is no interaction. So if I choose anything here, you see the bar chart doesn't change. Okay, because I closed the interaction. If I put it back, so I choose the filter. So now you see, let me close this. See that if I choose here, okay, the bar chart it changed. Okay, so they are now linked again. So this is how we are manage the interactions between the visuals. And also we saw the filters today. If you want to see what exactly the filters impacting any visual, just choose this filter icon. And here, this one, you can see that these are the filters that is impacting the visual. Okay, that's all for today. See you next session. Thank you.